This feature will allow staff and business owners to see cancellation details in a client's activity page. So to see this, what we want to do is select a client. So we'll select Robert. Then once on the client's profile, we just want to navigate down to their activity tab. So we'll click within that. Within this tab, we can see all the user activity. So again, with this feature, it does show cancellation details within this area. So as we can see, we have a late cancel. So it does show you all the details here. So we have a late cancel, which was done by Ryan S at WellnessLiving.com for this particular class. And it was actioned on this date, October 4th at 3:09 p.m. Additionally, we can see that there is a early cancellation by Robert. So it shows you who is doing the cancellation. So this is done by the client themselves for this particular class, energizing AM flow for this date and time. That's when the class would be. And it was actually early canceled by the client on October 4th at 2:55 p.m. Additionally, we can see late cancels, early cancels, no-shows, and canceled classes as well. And it gives you more additional details as you can see here. And that is the feature.